Looking for a DropSend alternative? Many users find it costly or limited. In this video, we'll show you 7 top replacements with better pricing, fewer errors, and smooth cross-platform sharing. Top 1. Best DropSend alternative: MobiKin Transfer for Mobile. MobiKin Transfer for Mobile Windows Mac enables direct data transfer between iOS and Android devices, including contacts, photos, messages, and apps. How to use MobiKin Transfer for Mobile. Open MobiKin Transfer on PC. Connect both phones. Set source or target flip if needed. Select data. Tap Start Copy. Disconnect, and check. Top 2. MobiKin Android Backup and Restore. MobiKin Backup Manager for Android, Windows, and Mac allows Android users to back up and restore files like contacts, messages, photos, and apps directly to a PC or Mac. Error rate, customer service, and pricing. Error rate: reliable, with occasional errors if USB drivers aren't installed properly. Customer service: responsive email or chat support. Good documentation, more dedicated than DropSend. Top 3. Box. Box provides cloud-based storage that lets users share and sync files across Android, iOS, Windows, and Mac devices. It enables collaborative file editing and secure sharing with others in real time. Top 4. Slack. Slack integrates file sharing directly into its chat platform, letting users send documents, images, and media across Android, iOS, and desktop clients. Files remain accessible within conversation threads, so teams can collaborate regardless of platform. Top 5. Flock. Flock supports file sharing across Android, iOS, Windows, and Mac through its messaging and collaboration platform. Users can quickly share files within chats or channels, ensuring teams stay connected across devices. Top 6. Trello. Trello allows users to attach and share files to task cards that are accessible across Android, iOS, Windows, and Mac devices. Its integration with Google Drive, Dropbox, and other cloud platforms enhances file sharing flexibility. Top 7. NextCloud. NextCloud provides self-hosted cloud storage, allowing users to sync and share files across Android, iOS, Windows, Linux, and Mac. It offers collaborative file editing and ensures full control over data ownership.